This is Tyler's phone search. Let's talk about softball in spring. My client, Ty Hearn, is ready for this game to take place. We're doing it at the Flats, and we won that a championship. I think who we did, trust me, I'm still, my client, Ty Hearn, is ready. Everything I'm supposed to do. I'm still the baseball legend. Trust me. Softball is important. I will kick your butt at the Flats and softball. You guys know that. Trust me. Trust me, man, I know. I want this game to be the fun game just for kids and grown-ups. I'm a grown myself, and this kid and it's a man follow the footsteps, become the youngest, the greatest baseball player all time. And my client, Ty Hearn, is ready for the game. And happy birthday, you guys. This is Ty's phone search. I'm ready to erupt at the game. And have a great day.